Friends, the business leaders have lots of data about the sales, marketing, finance, production, and the other different functions. And they also use this data for the purpose of making the business decisions. But when it comes to the people management, they don't have much data. They don't have the much data with them about the employees management, and as a result the business suffers. I have also seen that some organizations which have some data about the people management, they also don't make use of it for the purpose of making the people related decisions. Most of the business leaders, they claim that people are the most important asset in the organization, but surprisingly they still don't have the data about it. Isn't this extremely astonishing? And when it comes to the people performance, they actually find it very difficult, because the very important decisions about the people management, people performance, they start taking based on the relations and other gut feel related ideas. So today I am drawing your attention to a very important aspect of the management, which is called the people analytics. The people analytics or HR analytics is the data driven approach for making the people related decisions. After realizing that they are making lots of mistakes in relation to the people management, the business leaders have finally decided to start collating the people performance data and the behavioral data, and now they are actually depending on making the people related decisions based on this data. So now most of the intelligent business leaders are actually moving from the traditional ways of managing the people based on the relationship and the gut feel. They are actually now have started using the business analytics, the HR analytics for making the concrete decisions. People analytics is used for the purpose of very critical issues like recruitment, hiring, induction, performance management, and the performance measurement, and also promotions and increment. With the help of people analytics, the business leaders are now realizing that they are able to make better decisions, and these decisions are actually realistic. Yes friends, if you are also interested to create a model which is sustainable for your business in the long term and which is growth oriented, you should definitely pay attention to the people analytics and start collating the data, and also start using this people analytics data for your business decisions related to the people management. If you want to know more about the people analytics, then you can write back to us in the comment, and you can also mail us. We will definitely be able to help you. Thank you very much.